Hi guys, Colleen here with Gluebook with me. So this is, I think it's a fourth freebie. So this theme I went with florals and watercolour and birds and more of the same. This image here is just really beautiful. I'm going to use that one today. So got them all cut out. And make sure I don't put too much in frame there. There we go. Okay, so I want to use the sort of watercolor type ones, and then the other ones I will use in my other glue book to do a second spread. I usually do that. Watercolor. Okay, so there are most of the watercolors. Want this sort of to be the focus of the spread. Let's see. That under there maybe. And then there was this wasn't from the same image. Well, not on the website that I used anyway. But it's the colours are really similar, really pretty. Cherry blossom tree. What else have we got? Don't want. Let's see. Colouring is quite similar up there. And we've got a wee nest. It's sort of watercolour, not quite, but sort of along those lines. Down a wee bit, maybe. Don't know. If I have a nest, you need a bird. See the birdies. Yep, so someone in the group suggested birds. I like oils, but other than that, not really a bird person. So I'll pop some birds in for people to use. See those wee things are blue, the wee eggs. Let's see. Yep, so I'll pop some birds in for the bird lovers to use. But I also popped in some ladies and lots of florals. So hopefully there's something for everybody. The Facebook group is going really well. And we've got about 80 members now, which is really good. We've got beginners over there, people who have never done Gluebook before, just wanting to know what it's all about. And then we've got people who have been doing Gluebooks for years. So I'll leave the link to the Facebook group down below, and that's where you can get this freebie. see. Let's go through these. After saying I don't really like birds, thinking should we put a wee bird on top of that I know I'll not use the bird on, or the birds on anything else, so let's see. I usually do a second spread in my other glue book, and there's still bits left over from the 2-page kits. See if I can just tweak this a wee bit so we get most of that showing. Okay, let's see about gluing that down. Okay, let's see, take a wee bit off first and glue down the wee cherry tree. And again, I forgot my book to glue on, so I'm just going to glue on the tray side here. Love cherry trees. Have to be my, or cherry blossom trees, I think that's what they're called, or apple blossom trees. Love them in the spring, they're just beautiful. Actually love some in our back garden, would be cute when we get the back garden sorted. Pop it down there, and then there was a bird to go on top of that. Put glue. Something like that, and take this little birdie off. This one needs to go down first. Now, saying that, I still need to know how far to put that on. So, just wondering if everybody has now started a glue book, or are there still a few people not quite convinced it's for them. I know my mom has started one, and Megan, my daughter, who were the first couple of people in the group, because it used to be when you started a group you had to have, I think it's 2 or 3 people, but by the looks of it now you don't, so I had added them, but not added them, but I think it just invited them, so obviously they accepted the invites, so they were the first in the group. And neither of them had tried Gluebook before, so that's nice. We're sharing resources and stuff. Okay, let's see. I think what I might do is add a little quote here and maybe one up there, but I didn't bring my little quote. Didn't bring my little quote books, or my books, quote folder with me. No, I don't think that goes. I think I'd rather have a quote there. So let's pop, let's see, find a little space to, I didn't leave a little space. So it's the 12th today because it's my son's birthday tomorrow. And this was the floral and bird freebie. So other than adding a little quote maybe here and there, that is me done. I've loads left, which I'll do another spread in my other glue book. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you consider subscribing, that would be even better. And I'll see you next time. Bye.